Hello, I'm Janae Tibshirani with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of traditional safe haven markets firming following last night's terrorist attacks on the Brussels airport and a train station. Demand for gold and government bonds have risen in the wake of the explosions, which killed at least 34 people. While European markets have fallen, US stock indexes haven't been shaken. Australia's Reserve Bank Governor has signalled he's open to dropping the bank's cash rate well below its current 2% mark. In a speech made to the Australian Securities and Investments Commission annual forum yesterday, Governor Glenn Stevens said Australia had more room to ease monetary and fiscal policy than most other countries, as it's better placed than most of the world to resist an economic shock. He indicated his comfort with the government running up more debt if it had to ward off a recession. In other news, US manufacturing growth has been lower than expected in March. The Flash Market Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index is up from the 28-month low reached in February. Yet the rise is one of the weakest seen over the past 2.5 years. Output, new business and employment growth increased at a slightly faster pace than in February, while factory gate prices dropped off the back of subdued demand conditions. Other data out of the US overnight shows house prices crept up a seasonally adjusted 0.5% in January. The Federal Housing Finance Agency reports prices rose 6% compared to January last year. As we reported yesterday, higher prices have contributed to lower sales rates. In New York, the benchmark US Treasury 10-year yield is pretty stable at 1.9%. The US crude oil price has inched up today to just above $41 a barrel, while Brent is just under $42 a barrel. The gold price has risen overnight to $1,252 an ounce. The RBA governor's comments have seen the New Zealand dollar weaken substantially overnight to 88.5 Australian cents. The dollar has also slid back to 67.4 US cents. It remains at 60.1 euro cents. The TWI 5 is slightly lower at 70.9. I'm Janae Tibshirani, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.